Okay, we are filming Emil. Emil
Assayag Sparkman.
Assayag. Emil Assayag.
Assayag.
We are in Montreal.
Yeah.
Today is August 10th, 2018, and we are in the home of Emil Assayag.
Yeah, that's my original
Name. Emil, tell me please where you were born and when.
Marrakesh.
Marrakesh.
Yeah.
When?
1927.
What date? When's your birthday?
What?
When is your birthday?
Birthday, April 17, 1927.
April 27. I'm April 17.
So you're April 27?
Yeah.
1927.
Right.
27.
Yeah. Thank God.
Yeah.
And you're born in Marrakesh.
Yeah.
In
À la rue Corcos.
He remember the name of
La rue Corcos.
Ville Cocos.
No, rue. Street.
Rue.
La rue.
Yeah.
How is it to be Jewish in Marrakesh
In Marrakesh.
when you're a little kid?
Marrakesh is full of Jews. Full of Jews.
Then.
And I'm one of them.
How was it to be a child in Marrakesh? Okay?
Yeah,
As a
we
Jew?
had the Lycée Mongin.
They study French in the lycée.
In the school.
Yeah.
In the school?
I'm allowed to talk?
Yes, it's okay. We don't see you, but you can talk. It's fine.
Okay,
It's okay.
because he doesn't remember.
Absolutely.
And I have to.
That's why you're sitting here with me,
Yeah.
my dear.
Because
No problem.
He understands me better than other people.
Your father, what did
He worked in the singer sewing company.
he was a
Yeah.
tailor?
No,
Yeah.
no.
s-
He sold. He had a store.
No.
He had a store
Yeah, sewing
For the
machines.
machines.
for the sewing
In
machines.
Marrakesh.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
singer and
Yeah.
Exactly.
And how many children he had? Your father?
We had, let's say, Victor,
Yeah.
Meyer,
Yeah.
Emile, Ninette.
Yeah.
The three
boys?
children and one girl.
And the daughter, the smallest?
Yes.
So she was like the princess.
Of course,
The girl is
She was like the youngest.
The
and
youngest,
The princess.
after three boys.
And you come from a religious family? Religious family?
What?
Ta famille était religieux. Ils étaient religieux dans ta famille.
Oui, il est,
Yeah. He had a
bien sûr, il est religieux. Il y avait la synagogue. La synagogue qu'on avait, on allait tout le monde pour faire la prière le soir.
Mais parle en anglais, c'est mieux.
Hein?
In English. In English. En anglais.
Yeah,
You used to
Well,
go.
we
To
were
Bet Knesset?
were
Of course.
three. We were three children.
Yeah.
3 boys.
Yeah. Meyer, Victor, Emile, et Ninette, a girl.
She's in
Youngest.
Yeah.
And your family is religious? In
Yeah.
Marrakesh?
No, they
Oui.
still.
Ils étaient religieux. Dans la famille, toute ta famille était religieuse. Ils allaient à la synagogue.
Oui, but not now.
Not now. Then I'm now talking. Amen.
Right.
I'm now talking only about your
The past.
childhood. Your childhood. When you were a little kid, was your home kosher? You keep kosher in the home in Marrakesh?
Ta mère, elle faisait tout cachère à
Elle
la
était à la
maison.
rue Corcos.
Non, c'est pas ça qu'il demande. Elle faisait tout cachère, ta mère.
Oui, bien
Oui,
sûr.
bien sûr.
100%.
100% kosher.
Yeah.
The whole family.
Your father, he was
He was religious and he worked for the singer sewing machine.
and he was Zionist?
Huh?
No,
Don't think so at that time.
not. He wanted to go to Israel.
No, not at that
No.
time. Nobody was talking.
Life in your home. You have money to eat.
Not too much.
Not too-
I can tell you more.
Yes.
Because he doesn't hear you. He's come from a big family.
We were not rich.
No, but you had food on the table.
Yeah.
You had food.
That's I'm going to tell you more.
Okay.
His father passed.
Well, there was times when we don't have,
See?
we had things to eat.
Nothing to eat.
Yeah.
And you belong. Did you have in Morocco any problems as a child
Yeah.
with anti-Semitism in Morocco?
No, not then.
The time to leave to go to college, I went to the United States already, come immigrant.
Yes.
That's why I can
Yeah.
tell you more.
But I want you to tell me about your childhood.
Emile,
Your childhood.
Yeah, my childhood.
Emile.
We lived in la rue Corcos.
Yeah, I know. That's
C'est la rue Corcos.
Emile, quand tu étais jeune, il veut que tu lui racontes comment c'était à Marrakech, au Mélan. Comment vous avez vécu avec les autres juifs et les arabes et...
Ah non, on habitait à la rue Corcos.
oui, on le sait.
C'était une rue pleine de
I
juifs.
know. It's a
Toute la rue était pleine de juifs.
Quarter that we called Mela.
Mais là,
Yeah, like
Yeah.
in Europe,
the ghetto.
the ghetto.
Yeah.
That's what they...
Yeah, on jouait au football.
Football,
Tous,
oui.
ouais.
He
Yeah.
remembers when the German came to Morocco. He was going to school, and they were very scared. But thank
Vichy,
God,
the Germans.
Yeah.
Because it was Vichy.
wait. And then, because the king of Morocco defended the Jews, and he said the Jews are my people, nothing happened. I remember a little bit, because I was born in 39, but he lost his father young. So his mother had to...
It was hard time for
How did your
us.
father die? How?
Pardon?
Ton père, comment il est décédé? I know, but I'll let him talk.
How did your father die?
My father worked for like,
No.
How did your father pass away?
Quand il est
yeah,
mort.
that's what I'm going.
Ah, okay.
He passed away because he worked hard for us to live at the Singer sewing machine company.
He had a heart
Yes.
attack?
Yeah.
No,
Oui,
Et
quand
de-
il est mort. Quand il est mort, tu m'as dit tu as couru chercher le docteur. Il voulait pas venir.
j'ai été oui, chez le docteur. Le docteur,
Yeah, the doctor didn't want to come right away.
ouais,
You ran to the doctor
ouais.
to call him because
J'ai été chez le docteur. Il n'a pas voulu venir
he didn't want to come
parce que j'ai été à minuit.
at night, at midnight. And
Yeah.
he didn't want to come the
And
doctor.
he said,
And
it's
that's-
not my hours, he said.
And your father died.
Yeah.
And then his mother has to raise four kids.
Yeah.
And at that time, and she comes from very well,
Family? Yeah.
The father, her father was doing exporting.
Je connais son nom encore,
Oui, ça va.
du docteur.
Her father used to export almonds to England.
Okay. Almonds to England.
And they import tea from England. He told me, because the grandfather, had a big house. They were the downstairs, so he had like his office and all, and upstairs, two store, I know that house, is around like Spanish houses, all around with the... So he said he used to go upstairs, going on top of the sacks, the bags of almonds. He didn't take the stairs.
Almonds, yeah.
Oui,
And he used to tell him, sit with me, you're going to tell me, to see how many almonds were bitter or sweet or good. So he give him, taste this one, he has to eat only half of every almond, a certain percentage, and from that he knew.
c'est sur le carnet.
Oui, mais c'est pas ça qu'il demande. Il demande pour Marrakech.
Marrakech.
Yeah.
Bar mitzvah. You have bar mitzvah?
Yeah,
In
I had
Marrakesh?
my bar. At the 13th.
13.
Yeah.
In
Yeah,
the synagogue.
yeah,
Yeah?
yeah. You know they don't do it with the old what can I say?
Quoi? Ils font pas comme ici. They don't do a big
No,
table.
no.
No.
And the bar mitzvah used to be done in Marrakesh in the house where you used to live.
Oh.
They used to put the tefillin.
Yeah.
They put the tefillin. After the tefillin, they go home and they serve a little pastry if you can afford it.
Do you remember Marrakesh during Second World War?
Tu te rappelles quand tu m'as dit
Yeah.
tu m'as dit que tu voyais les Allemands quand tu allais à l'école.
Uh,
Quand tu m'as dit qu'en allant à l'école, tu voyais les Allemands qui étaient à Marrakech. Les Allemands, des nazis.
les Allemands, on avait la commission allemande. On avait la commission allemande qui se baladait au Mella. Mella, c'est
Jewish Quarter.
le quartier juif. Alors ils venaient en 2, 3, parce qu'ils ne voulaient pas rentrer seuls. Ils venaient au Mella, ils se baladaient, et ils avaient leur tenue de...
De nazis, de German.
Je sais pas, je connais pas les titres
Non,
de ce qu'avait l'habillement.
Yeah, but they were wearing uniforms.
Yeah, ils avaient.
Nazis.
Ils avaient.
Ask him. We're gonna do it like this. You're gonna ask him in French, and he's gonna talk in French because it's better for him. I can see.
No, it depends.
No?
It depends.
It depends.
He have a little,
The hearing.
Besides the hearing, he has a little dementia.
Okay. You saw the Germans?
Tu as vu, toi, les Allemands? Did you see the German? Did you see them with the uniform?
In Marrakech.
The German. Les Allemands.
Oui, les Allemands.
Tu les as vus en ville avec l'uniforme?
Oui, ils venaient faire des tours au Mella. Mella, c'est le quartier juif.
Oui.
Ils faisaient des tours là-bas. Et ils regardaient et ils riaient parce que ils n'admettaient pas une vie comme ça aux gens.
Ben,
alors, mais ils ne parlaient pas à personne. Peut-être qu'ils ont eu des informations de leurs supérieurs de ne pas parler.
Ask him how the first time. I want to know if he was in a youth movement in Marrakech, a Jewish youth
Est-ce
movement.
que tu as fait partie des scouts à Marrakech? Tu as fait partie des scouts juifs à Marrakech?
On avait les scouts,
oui. Mais toi,
on avait
ton frère,
Victor,
oui,
oui.
Mais toi,
j'étais plus jeune.
No, he was younger. His brother was part of it, but not him.
Yeah, my brother Victor
was
movement? Scout.
Scout, the Jewish
Scouts.
On avait même.
The Boy Scouts?
Yeah, the
Jewish Boy Scouts, yes. Does he remember the American soldiers in Morocco after?
Est-ce que, les Américains, quand ils sont venus au Maroc après la guerre pour libérer les Allemands, ils sont partis.
Oui.
Et tu te rappelles les Américains quand ils sont arrivés?
Oui, bien sûr. Je les ai emmenés manger la DEF.
Non, pas quand tu étais à la base, pas quand tu étais militaire, quand tu étais jeune. Quand tu étais jeune. Avant que tu partes en Israël. Before 48.
Oui, il n'y avait pas les Américains encore.
There were no Americans.
No Americans.
Il n'y avait pas les Américains.
Okay. In 1945, the war is over. Emile is 18. 18 years old.
Yeah.
He finished high school, he finished gymnasia?
He went to agriculture school after.
University?
No. Agriculture.
Agriculture. You studied agriculture?
Tu as été à l'école d'agriculture. Tu as été à l'école d'agriculture.
Oui. J'étais à l'école primaire. Et après la primaire, on nous a dirigés sur le... Ils ont acheté 4 hectares pour nous apprendre comment cultiver les différentes fleurs. Alors on nous a appris tout ça avant d'aller en Israël.
Before he went to Israel.
So he was studying agriculture?
Yeah.
Oui.
Oui. In Marrakech?
À l'école à Marrakech. Oui.
You like this agriculture? You enjoyed to work in agriculture?
Yeah,
Yeah?
he loved.
He loved.
Here when we had garden. Now
Yeah.
we're in a building, but to
Yes.
have a little balcony. Every house
You
will
like
be-
to feel the ground.
Hein?
Tu aimes travailler avec la terre. Tu
Oui,
aimes-
on a travaillé
Mais
avec
toi,
la
non,
terre.
mais toi, tu aimais?
Oui,
Tu aimes travailler la
oui,
terre?
oui. On avait 4 hectares.
Oui.
C'est c'était nommé l'école agricole de
Mais
Marrakech.
that was a school, Jewish school.
A Jewish school.
Jewish
Oui.
school.
Was
yeah.
it like
Yeah.
Maccabi,
Yeah.
Beitar?
Non, il n'y avait pas les Haramim.
Non.
Ils avaient des
He knows the
Des
name of the
Juifs.
director.
pour nous diriger,
Yeah.
qui étaient. Ces gens étaient décidés de France. Ils venaient de France
People from
pour nous
France
apprendre,
who came to teach them in that school.
pour
Jewish
nous.
people.
Yeah.
Jewish people.
Oui, pour nous.
So
Ils
it's-
venaient de France pour nous donner.
This was 18, after 18?
No, before.
Before. So he's still in gymnasia and he's studying agriculture.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Quand est-ce que tu es parti en Israël?
En Israël,
Attends, excuse-moi.
en
Attends,
48.
excuse-moi. Est-ce que tu es parti, tu as travaillé déjà chez les Américains avant d'aller
Avant d'aller.
en Israël? Tu as travaillé à Noisseur? Non, c'est après. Tu es parti d'abord en Israël à 18 ans? Après la guerre. Tu as fini l'école agricole? Tu
Oui,
es parti en Israël?
oui.
Bon, I can tell you, lot more, it go faster if you want.
Okay.
His cousin was on the, comment il s'appelle le bateau qu'ils ont arrêté les Anglais? The ship that immigrants were to Israel on the ship.
Exodus?
Yeah, his cousin was in Exodus, but it was the same thing. He was on the ship, he said, for almost 40 days, and they were going around.
On avait l'école agricole de Marrakech.
Oui, maintenant on a dépassé, attends, on a dépassé. So he said for the English not to
Stop them.
stop they were going around for 40 days.
40 days.
He said everybody was sitting, because we did that already with his nephew, with my children. They were sitting on the ship. If they get up to go to the bathroom or something, they don't find a place to sit. And they had only crackers and water. It was a really hard.
I understand. I know the
to get
story,
there.
of course.
Okay.
Emil, when do you have the idea in your head to go
To Israel.
Palestine?
Le quoi?
Comment tu as eu l'idée d'aller en Israël? Pourquoi tu as été? Pourquoi tu as
Pourquoi
été?
j'étais en Israël?
Oui,
Il y avait un avocat marocain,
oui.
Ben Chetrit, ou je ne sais pas comment ça s'appelait.
Yeah.
Of what?
He was
Et
trying
c'est lui qui réunissait et envoyait en
Mais
Israël.
non, mais pourquoi tu voulais y aller? Why? Why did you
En
want to-
Israël.
Yeah, why?
Mais pour nous, Marrakech, c'était la ville
Yeah.
étoile où
Pour,
on voulait y aller.
pour everybody, c'est
Eh bien, ils nous
Jérusalem.
envoyaient.
How did you get to Israel?
Oh, voilà.
How?
He was telling you.
Comment?
Comment tu as fait pour aller? He said that a man, a Jewish man from Marrakech, was getting all the young
group?
people.
Il y avait un avocat.
Yeah, he was
Un avocat, c'est lui qui nous a envoyés.
Was he with Haganah?
Hein?
Monsieur Ben Chetrit qui vous a
Ben
envoyé.
Chetrit, was he
Il
with-
était avec la Haganah? Non.
L'avocat,
Oui.
il était arabe, il était juif.
Oui, il était juif, mais il faisait partie de la Haganah? Non.
Ouais. Il
No,
était quoi?
it was like a dream to go to Israel.
Of course.
And especially in 48,
Yes.
they wanted to go and help Israel.
Yes.
That's why. So all the young people, and he told me once why he went. Because his mother didn't have enough money to raise them. And he left. He left on his own, even not telling his mother at the beginning.
And he did it mostly because of an economic burden on her. That
Yes.
if he was gone, it would be easier.
Yeah, but then everybody was talking about Israel
Of
and
course.
Palestine and all. So of course he wanted. He was young and all. He has a.
He left in 47 or 48?
No, I think. Tu es parti en Israël en 47 ou en 48?
En 48.
48.
48.
But I have to tell you, before that, his brother, who was married, with 2 children, the oldest, went already. He left, he was in Israel.
With his kids and family?
With 2 kids, yeah. When he went to Israel, he was there.
The brother was already there.
He was already there with the 2 kids. Of course, everybody wanted to go.
Of course.
Especially for an Arab country. And l'idéal, c'est to go to Israel, like even now we say next year in Jerusalem. Okay? So he was looking for his brother. Finally find out where he was.
Le voilà, il y a les
Non,
carnets.
je lui raconte pour Meyer.
Now we
Ouais.
just talk.
Yeah.
Ouais.
Now we talk.
On
we
parle de
look,
Meyer.
we look.
Right, yeah.
His
So-
brother Meir?
Meyer. So he went to look for him. They told him what camp he was.
Yeah.
He found they were in the tent village
Yeah. Ma'abara.
with 2 little kids.
Yeah.
And he said, where is he? Where can I find him? They said,
Il a discharge from the army.
yeah,
The-
after.
Emil.
Emil.
Emil. How did you get from Marrakesh to Israel? How?
To Israel.
How did you get?
That's the lawyer I was talking
Ben
about.
Shitrit.
Yeah.
This lawyer
Yes.
have a certain amount of money, and they used to send it to him. And he's the one who took us in charge to send us to Marseille.
To Marseille.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
they will-
So from
Yeah.
Morocco to Marseille.
To Marseille.
By boat.
By boat.
Yeah.
And in Marseille,
You were in a
De
camp.
Marseille, on avait
How long did you stay in camp in Marseille?
Marseille. I stayed about 20 days.
and in the camp in Marseille, are you meeting with Haganah and Palmach people?
When you were in the camp in Marseille, est-ce que le Haganah ou le Palmach sont venus vous parler? Ils vous ont...
Oui, on mangeait.
Weapons,
Oui,
training,
oui.
Non.
De quoi on mangeait.
eating.
Oui, on rentrait comme une...
Non, mais est-ce qu'il y avait des gens d'Israël qui sont venus s'occuper de vous et vous dire quoi faire?
Ceux-là, ils ne voulaient pas que les Juifs d'Israël arrivent
Ah, il dit-
parce qu'ils ne voulaient pas que...
Alerter les Anglais.
Oui,
They didn't want the people from Israel to come and meet them. They put them on the...
parce que le Maroc est arabe.
Oui.
Alors,
Okay, now we're in Marseille already.
In Marseille.
And then he get to Israel after 40 days on the ship. And
You went on a boat from Marseille to Israel.
Marseille to Haifa.
To Haifa.
Yeah.
And you're on he's on a commercial boat
No, they bought...
with refugees.
Refugees.
You're with refugees from the Holocaust.
Oui.
Yeah, but
On était
from
refugees.
France. Yeah.
From France.
En France, en
Holocaust
France,
survivors.
on avait
Ici,
un camp de Juifs,
A Jewish
de
camp.
ceux qu'ils ont ramassés,
Oui,
ils
c'est
ont
pas
ramassés
the one they-
d'un peu de partout.
Yeah.
Parce que le Maroc est grand.
Yeah, and
Alors, ils
from
ont
there,
ramassé
they
des
returned in
Juifs.
Morocco, and then they took them
Et
to that camp.
ils leur font faire des visas.
They made some
Parce que cet avocat dont je
he
parlais,
knew how that guy knew.
Ben
cet
Shitrit,
avocat.
who did all the documents and everything.
Attends, mais quand tu étais au camp,
hein,
après le camp, ils vous ont mis sur un bateau.
oui, on a pris un bateau. Le bateau, c'est dommage.
Quoi?
Regarde dans
Non, y a
ces
pas,
papiers
y a-
jaunes.
Non, il n'y a pas pour le bateau ici, il n'y a rien. Alors,
What is the name? Can you remember the name of the boat
tu te rappelles le nom du
that
bateau?
you came from
Le
Marseille
nom du
to
bateau,
Haifa?
non. Non, pas le Haïfa, pas Marseille.
Non.
Il y avait-
Attends, Haïm, ton cousin, il était sur quel bateau? Tu te rappelles?
Oui, il était sur un bateau.
Comment il s'appelle?
Oui. Lui,
Oui.
ils ont été arrêtés par les Allemands. Ils ont arrêté.
Yeah.
Ils les ont matraqués avec les choses sur la
Ouais,
tête.
c'est pour ça qu'il a
Le
encore plus.
oui.
So they catch that, what's the name again?
The boat.
Yeah, the one that everybody knows about.
Exodus.
He said they were arrested by the English and they beat them. And I know this cousin because he came back to Morocco after. He lost his hearing because the German were hitting them.
Ils l'ont matraqué.
Ah non, the British. Yeah, ils l'ont matraqué. I know, alors, so I told you, when he went to find for his brother, they told him he's selling mint.
Nana.
Nana, exactement.
Nana.
He had nothing. How is he going to make money for his family and all? He gave them his rations of cigarettes, candies, whatever he had. But they all went back to Morocco.
They didn't stay. Nobody stayed.
Life was too
Yeah.
difficult.
Parce que ce moment-là, au Maroc, il y avait les Anglais qui représentaient Israël.
Oui.
Et avec
They had
les
representatives
Anglais.
from England in Morocco.
When, I just want to make something clear. The boat that he comes in on from Marseille to Haifa,
Yeah.
there is Holocaust survivors, immigrants on the boat.
Immigrants, lots of volunteer immigrants.
But he
whatever.
doesn't remember the name of the
No,
boat.
he doesn't
Okay.
remember the name, but I know he remembers sitting on the top,
boat.
and he remembers.
Do you remember for the first time that you see Haifa, you coming with the ship?
Après
La
Haïfa,
première fois.
le bateau des immigrants.
Yeah, see?
Tout ce qu'il y avait sur
The
ce
boat of
bateau,
immigrants.
il avait un nom israélien,
He forget the name, he was an Israeli.
un nom comme
Ok.
Haïfa.
But, est-ce qu'il y avait des gens, des immigrants de France et de Pologne et de partout et du Maroc, tous vous étiez ensemble, mélangés?
Oui, bien, quand ils étaient en France, ils ont pris les Juifs de Marseille,
Oui.
les Juifs de Paris, les
Ah,
Juifs.
c'est all the Jews
Ils
from-
ont ramassé
all the young people
parce que
from
le bateau est immense.
France. Yeah, the boat
Ils
was
nous ont
big, they
ramassés,
were crowded.
ils nous ont mis sur ce bateau. Je crois même qu'il s'appelait le Haïfa, le bateau.
It's not sure.
What happens
Yeah, when they got that.
when you get to Haifa? When you get to Haifa,
Yeah.
When we got to Haïfa, on a été dans un camp
I know that. He's going to tell you.
pour les
Les volontaires, les
Hein?
immigrants, les volontaires. Les volontaires,
non, pas des volontaires.
les
On
immigrants.
nous a reçus
Oui.
et ils nous ont emmenés dans un camp où ils nous ont servi à manger. Ils nous ont servi des genres de
Emile, you remember what you told me?
salopes.
Attends, you remember you said when you arrive at the camp, they put DTT, the powder, la poudre DTT.
on him,
Yes, on all of them.
Oui, bien sûr.
Yeah.
Il y a une photo là-bas.
Okay, laisse la photo. And then, what time did you sleep? Like 4 in the morning, by the time everything...
Il y a une photo là-bas.
Ok, je vais te la-
Alors il faut les appliquer avec leurs photos.
Il n'y a pas cette photo.
Non, la petite photo là-bas.
So,
Voilà.
when they arrived there, he said it was very late by the time they fed them and take them to...
Montre-lui les photos,
Okay,
c'est tout.
une seconde. So he said the first thing they did is put DTT powder because they were on the boat for 40 days or whatever, and then they gave them a place
On était dans
dans les baraques. And he said,
Voilà,
4 in
voilà.
the morning,
Voilà le human.
6 in the morning, ta 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 ta.
Voilà mon livret militaire
Oui, and everybody
avec
was
le-
so mad
avec le livret
because...
de discharge.
Oui, ça il l'a vu, ça il le sait. Il y a pas
did
la
they take
DTT.
you into the army immediately?
Tu as été tout de suite,
Hein?
tu as fait partie tout de suite de l'armée
Oui,
après le bateau. Vous
tout
êtes
de suite.
arrivés et tout.
ça y
Immediately.
est.
Immédiatement.
On a été dans
They
un
took
camp.
you immediately into the army,
Oui, ça y est.
right?
Ça y
Gave
est.
you a gun?
Le voilà avec mon. Le voilà avec le bateau israélien.
Non, ça c'est pas le bateau. Ça,
C'est-
quand
non.
tu arrivais en Israël.
Ils nous ont donné des tenues
Hold this.
comme ça.
Hold this.
They gave him uniforms. I mean uniforms.
Hold this.
They're not really real uniforms.
Is that you, Emile?
Oui, c'est
That's
moi.
you? C'est
Yeah.
moi?
C'est moi.
How old?
Quel âge tu avais?
Ils n'avaient pas d'uniforme. Ils avaient des overcoats. Je ne sais pas comment ça s'appelait, cette tenue.
Ok. Émile, quel âge tu avais alors?
Hein?
Tu es parti en... Tu avais quel âge? Quel âge?
Quel âge?
20 ans, je crois, hein?
Non,
Tu es
ils n'avaient pas.
27 à 47, oui, 20 ans.
Where did
Non,
Emile-
j'étais un peu
Emile-
plus jeune. Regarde
Ok,
là-bas
ok,
sur la
ok.
photo.
Emile, where do you go in the army?
Tout,
Où ils t'ont emmené?
In Israel, where do you go in the army?
Tu m'as dit,
hein,
quand vous étiez...
le voilà, un avec
ouais. Où ils t'ont emmené? Où ils vous ont emmené? Tu m'as dit...
Ils nous ont emmenés dans un camp de Tel Aviv. Parce qu'à Tel Aviv, il y avait un
He took me there already.
Where?
In the camp, the town where they were.
il y avait un Moadon HaChayalim.
Moadon Chayalim
Oui.
Quoi,
in
ça?
Tel Aviv.
It means what? I don't even know. I don't speak Hebrew.
Moadon Chayalim
Il y a Moadon HaChayalim à Tel Aviv.
in Tel Aviv.
Quand on est venu du Maroc, ils nous ont reçus là-bas pour nous donner des boissons, pour nous.
Army, Air Force, Navy, where? Where did
Yeah.
you go?
Voilà la photo de.
Oui, attends. Attends.
Montre-lui
Non,
la
je
photo.
sais, il l'a vu. Est-ce qu'ils t'ont mis dans l'Air Force ou dans le...
Non, il n'y avait rien encore.
They had no-
Attends.
nothing yet.
Nothing.
Attends, voilà
Oh,
la
il les a
photo.
vus. He saw them already.
I saw them.
He told me something, I'm going to remind him. Tu m'as dit, dans
Ah.
l'avion, qu'est-ce que tu faisais dans l'avion? Comment tu jetais les bombes? Non, laisse ça, après. Regarde-moi.
J'étais gunner.
Alors dis-lui.
You were a gunner?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind
You
of
were
gun?
a gunner.
What kind of brand?
At that time,
They didn't even have...
l'armée d'Israël n'existait pas en Israël.
They didn't have...
En montée,
Moment.
il y avait des,
Moment.
il y avait des,
After.
des avions anglais qui ont été démunis.
Attends, je vais expliquer.
Alors
parce que-
voilà, tu vas voir dans la
Oui,
photo,
Airplane.
on montait dans les avions que les Anglais.
Spitfires.
Non,
Spitfires.
en avons des bimoteurs.
Bimotors.
Les voilà,
Oui,
je
il
suis.
n'y a pas, on n'a plus les photos.
Moment. Ah, he has a photo?
He has this one, I think. He knows what he wants.
So he was on an airplane.
Yes. And then I'm going
So he was in the Air Force.
Yeah, but there was no...
Non,
Yes,
je n'étais
no,
pas.
No,
Encore monté. En montée.
there was no Air Force then.
Okay, we will.
I don't know which way to turn it.
Is this him
here,
in the-
Here they make it bigger. Here. Yeah, I think it's here.
Is that him?
Yeah,
Emil Sparkman in bomber.
yeah. 1 minute.
Okay, I will take a picture of this after.
Okay.
So you're on an airplane.
This plane.
Yeah.
Emil,
Yeah.
listen to me. You are a gunner
Yeah. Right.
on an airplane.
But at that time, la guerre just shut off.
C'était la fin?
There was no.
Non, non, Émile, tu as oublié.
Yeah.
Attends, tu m'as dit, dans l'avion, un petit puis t'attrapé et toi tu prenais la bombe et tu la jetais.
Oui.
Ah, tu
Oui.
as oublié.
Oui.
Said, on the
Oui.
plane, he had somebody holding him with a bed and all in the back, and he has to take the bomb.
Tu savais,
and
les
throw
voilà
that
les,
by hand.
voilà les avions
Oui,
anglais.
il l'a vu, ça y est, il l'a vu. He knows.
Eh ben, le voilà.
Yeah, he knows.
Oui.
Okay. He always told us this story, some long.
Le voilà l'avion
Oui, il
anglais.
l'a vu.
Où il nous mettait en arrière.
I want you to tell me, not show me.
No.
I want you to tell me.
Dis-lui, dans l'avion.
To tell me.
What did when they put you on the plane? What you supposed to do? Oublie les photos. Regarde-moi. What were you supposed to do from the plane? Qu'est-ce qu'il fallait faire dans l'avion? Qu'est-ce que tu devais faire?
Je l'ai lâché.
Oui.
Là, on nous attachait avec des ceintures.
Oui.
Et deux gars nous attrapaient par derrière. Et ces avions, c'est comme
La
sont
porte était ouverte.
anglais. Il y avait l'arrière de l'avion. You can crunch. You're sitting.
You're crouching down.
Oui.
Okay.
Voilà l'avion. C'est celui-là? Maybe. I don't know. Ça, que c'est écrit.
And you had a pilot? There was a pilot?
No, I was
you.
not the
Not-
You were the
pilot.
gunner,
Because
I was
the bomber. You were the bomber.
bomber.
You threw the bomber. It's okay.
Oui,
It's
oui,
okay.
Yeah.
Please.
oublie ça, oublie les
Please.
photos.
So you were throwing the bombs from the plane.
Yeah.
For how long? How
Oh,
long were you doing this
I
for?
might say about a month.
A month.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A month, yeah. Because there
Every
was
day?
no more Arabs to bomb.
No more Arabs?
No Moroccans.
Do you remember? I want to ask you a question. Do you remember what month you arrived in Israel? Do you remember what month
Because
it
it
was?
was in April.
April 48.
Yeah.
No,
So-
I think before.
So you came to Israel before the independence.
Yes.
When you came to Israel, the British were still in charge.
Yes, je crois.
When I came to Israel.
When you came to Israel, the mandate was still effective, the British mandate.
Ils étaient encore sous le mandat britannique. Quand toi tu es arrivé en Israël, il y avait encore le mandat britannique.
Oui, qu'est-ce qu'ils m'ont donné?
Non.
Qu'est-ce qu'ils m'ont fait?
Israël était sous le mandat britannique.
Oui,
Il n'y avait pas encore l'indépendance.
non, il y avait. Ils partaient, les Anglais partaient.
The British were
No,
We're leaving. They were just about to leave.
yeah,
So you were in Israel when Ben Gurion declared the state.
right, we're here.
May 15th,
Right.
1948.
Tu étais
May
là-bas.
14th. You were in Israel?
Tu étais en
Yeah.
Israël?
Pardon?
You were in Israel when Ben Gurion declared.
Right. You can see.
Oublie ça.
Non, non, il y a la photo avec avec le
Non, c'est pas ça.
oui,
That's not
avec
what you say.
le chose.
Here it says.
Le
here, I
voilà
have
dans
his-
lui.
Ok, ok.
Dans lui, celui-là, c'est un bateau. C'est pas un bateau. Non, le petit.
Ça y est, il a vu ça. Regarde ce qu'il veut savoir. Il a dit, quand tu étais en Israël, ils ont déclaré l'indépendance ou pas encore? Tu étais là-bas, toi?
J'étais là-bas quand ils ont déclaré
He was there.
l'indépendance. Tu me vois là-bas avec
Oui, je sais.
avec,
ça y est.
avec le.
Oui, oui, on a tout, ça y est. Ça y est. Ça y est.
Laisse-moi avec mes papiers.
Il veut te parler, il veut pas ça.
Ça va, s'il veut me parler.
Après.
Voilà, moi, je m'appuie sur
Après les photos,
sur
ok.
ce que je vois.
Ok, attends.
Ça, c'est le Khayalim,
Ok.
le bouquet pour les soldats israéliens.
Oui.
Les voilà.
This I saw.
See, I think he arrived November.
No,
48,
no, it says Tarikh.
That
Ça, c'est qu'on nous a donné.
Yeah, on the 13th of November, 1948.
Look, and here he left in 49.
No,
No?
I'm
Okay.
trying to look. It says
On
here,
nous a donné, je ne sais pas combien, 20 francs ou quelque chose comme ça.
it says that he was enlisted in the army on the 16th of November, 1948. So he came after the declaration of Israel.
Ah,
It says
okay.
here, yeah.
But
It's fine. It's fine. It's
Okay, look.
and we will take pictures of all of this.
he was young here.
Yeah,
That's
and
when
here
he
too.
went. That's when he went.
Oui, il y a ma photo.
This is his army papers. This is his Tudat Oleh.
Ça,
This means that he's this means that he's an immigration paper.
Okay.
But this is his army certificate.
Yeah.
And we will take pictures of this after.
That's the one from
And this
Marseille.
is from
Voilà quand j'étais dans l'armée israélienne.
amazing. Perfect. Wow, 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 wow.
So what's
wow.
the date?
The date is the 10th of May. No, 1949? No, this is
Ah, maybe when he came back.
it says what does
Yeah,
it say
yeah,
in
yeah, I'm
French?
gonna tell
It's
you
when he
why.
comes back. 1949.
You know why?
Yeah.
You know why? Because when they were on the boat, they did throw their passport.
Voilà quand j'étais dans
They
l'armée.
had no more papers.
Uh-huh, okay.
You
Voilà.
want to leave Israel?
Voilà quand j'étais dans l'armée
He
israélienne.
went, he said he went to Switzerland.
Uh-huh.
Tu
Cabbage.
He had no paper. That's when he went to Paris.
vois, je
And
tenais.
from there he went to the States.
No, he went back to
To
Morocco
Morocco.
first,
Okay.
and then
Emile, I want to ask you a question. I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
Okay? You're on an airplane and you're throwing bombs.
Right,
This
yeah.
is your job.
Right.
Yeah?
The people me tenaient
It's
par
a
derrière.
small plane? Small, petite?
Non.
Airplane or big?
Non, It might even 25 pounds.
Bombs.
Yes.
Boom, and you're throwing them.
Right.
And you're throwing
But
them.
no, we had a light. When it turns green,
You throw
that
the
means
bombs.
it's bomb.
Throw the bombs.
Turn red,
Stop.
stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the way.
And they trained you? They trained you to do this?
No, I was happy to do it.
Mais ils t'ont montré comment faire? They
Hein?
show you how to do it?
Mais les bombes qu'ils te donnaient
Oui.
étaient déjà arrangées,
Ah, it
ni
was
rien.
already set and all. Bon, attends, que je vais dire? Quel genre d'avion?
Les noms, c'est les deux avions, les
Bimoteur, tu m'as dit. Bimoteur?
One engine.
c'est des bimoteurs.
One or
The
two?
airplane had one engine.
One or two?
Non, des bimoteurs.
Bimoteur, two.
Two
Il y a-
motors.
même les moteurs, ils étaient carrés devant.
The motors were
Carré.
squared in the front.
In the front.
Alors là, c'est les... J'ai oublié le nom de l'avion, mais c'est marqué là-bas quelque
Ok,
part,
va le dire après.
dans les photos.
He's going to read it after. He's going to see it after. Après, tu en as eu marre et tu voulais retourner. Tu as quitté Israël. Why? Why did you leave Israel?
I lived in Haifa ou
No,
Tel
no,
Aviv.
not where you are living. Where did you live? Tu as quitté Israël.
Well,
Why?
Pourquoi?
Why?
why I left?
Yeah.
I left,
He was very adventurous
you know,
all his life.
that I needed my family with me.
He wanted to see
Ah,
his mother and all. He went back.
How long were you fighting in the war? How long?
Combien tu es resté?
Long, it might be a year and a half.
You were in Israel for a year and a
Yeah.
half.
Yeah,
And you got
yeah.
to
I was
see,
there
see.
with my
Ça,
your
il a-
brother?
with my flag.
Yes, I saw.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
I saw the
right
picture.
there. Yeah.
Yeah. And you was the whole time in the Air Force, in the Army?
Là-bas, quand tu étais en Israël, tu étais dans les avions, c'est tout. Tu n'étais pas avec l'armée de terre.
Ah ben,
marine.
bien sûr, on descendait,
Oui.
on descendait la nuit dans le,
Ouais.
comment s'appelle ça, le Maoni Achayalim, l'hôtel. Comment tu dis l'hôtel?
Ok.
Parce qu'on descendait en hôtel,
Ah,
à l'hôtel,
at night they were-
là-bas on descendait.
Non,
C'est-
mais c'est pas important. ça.
Et c'était à côté du Madanim.
Moadon.
C'est dommage.
He can-
Escape my blood.
Ok, that's ok. Mais après, tu as voulu partir, tu en avais marre d'Israël?
Non, démobilisé.
Oui, ah! He had his
Bien sûr.
mobilization, you know, comme on dit. They gave him the papers that he finished.
That he discharged.
Discharge.
Honorable discharge.
Yes, exactly.
Pardon?
Ah,
Honorable décharge. La discharge honorable.
Honorable discharge.
Like in
oui.
America.
Elle est
Yeah,
là-bas.
yeah. Halas.
Oui.
yeah.
Fini.
Finito la grande.
Yeah, finito.
Finito, he left.
He left.
He went to Switzerland, he went to Paris.
Uh-huh.
Le voilà,
Ça y est,
le discharge.
Oh, he knows.
Le livret
Okay,
militaire.
I know, le voilà,
Le livret militaire.
It says here, I'm reading his
Yeah.
discharge papers.
Yeah, that's what he wants.
Hold
Ça,
on.
c'est.
To show
I'm
you.
looking.
Ils nous ont donné 5 pounds.
It says here,
Yeah.
it says
That's in the
here-
back.
hold on, I'm looking at your
Ouais, voilà, il va lire, lui en
Mispara
hébreu.
Meguyas, Asayag Emil. Hold on. Unbelievable. It says 73 kilos.
Ils n'avaient pas beaucoup d'argent.
73
Non,
kilos.
attends, c'est ta décharge.
It says here, the year that you were enlisted in the army on the 16th of November, 1948.
So he was already they had independence already?
And it says here,
Yeah.
the place that he was born, Switzerland.
Ah, I told you. He
It
did
says
that.
Switzerland,
See why he did that?
and it says here that his occupation
What?
is a student.
Oh, because they had to, because torn their passport, they torn
And
everything.
then-
And that's why they sent him to Switzerland.
And then it says here his rank.
Voilà la discharge
Ouais,
là-bas.
non, c'est celui-là.
Wait a
attends,
minute.
le
It
livre
doesn't. It
militaire.
doesn't say.
Voilà la
it doesn't-
Ok,
discharge.
ça va.
It doesn't say here when you're discharged.
Et il
But
said
what does it say
Here is
here?
my discharge.
Why? He said, hold this. He's the one who wrote. Bombing Gaza.
Hold on.
and-
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
What's this? Beersheba.
What does it say there?
Here I see on top, ground something, I don't know. I can't understand his writing. I see Beersheba in the Negev.
Drink your coke.
Emile, qu'est-ce que c'est ça? Tu arrives à le lire? Can you read it?
C'est là où j'étais.
Ah, yeah.
J'étais au 505 Squadron.
C'est?
Sous le nom de SAYAG. RRP.
Oui.
Soldat.
Quel squadron? Lequel?
Le ground. Et après, on m'a passé à l'Air Force.
He was on the ground here, and then they put him in the Air Force. And Air Force, you said bombing Gaza, and qu'est-ce que c'est ça ici? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a écrit ici?
Ça,
I'm
c'est
sure
le-
you're gonna-
c'est pas moi qui l'ai écrit,
Ah, ok.
parce qu'il a voilà le timbre de,
Ah, ok. Mais qu'est-ce
de
que c'est?
l'escadron où
Il
j'étais.
y a écrit
505.
bombing Gaza and 36 what? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire tout ça?
Can you read that for me, Emile? Because we can't
He
read
said
your
that
writing.
It's not him. who
Ah, it's
wrote
not
that.
his writing.
Je suis resté 36 mois.
You're not there. You are not there 36 months. Maybe.
36 mois.
Well, I don't know.
Hold on.
Ça
a
fait
sec.
3 ans.
So we don't know what it says here, right? Or
What he said, he was on the ground near Beersheba, something like that. And here he said after they put him for the plane, bombing Gaza, I think that's what he was supposed to do. But they put 36 months, I don't know what. I can't read. I don't know what they mean, 500 something. Here.
Ça, c'est la médaille.
Yeah, la médaille, oui.
It's a
okay,
medal.
this is the medal
Yeah,
that you got in 1956. It says here
yeah.
that he was in the Israeli army from the 15th of November,
See?
1948,
Okay.
until the 27th of April, 1949.
Okay,
So
that's
he
what
was
it says.
he
That's
was
what it says on the
he
card.
was in the army for 6 months in the war.
Okay, not a year.
No, no,
Okay.
and we're going to film this all after. Also,
Yeah,
all these documents.
But you know what? I told you when he got this,
C'est la médaille d'Israël.
He was already in America.
he was in America. He was in. We were married, and he wrote to the colonel of the base
Yeah.
to ask him if he could wear his medal with the American medals. They refused, of course, because
course.
two army different.
Of course.
Yeah, I must have all those papers. I have them, but I didn't have time to
Sure,
find
sure,
everything.
sure.
And they refused, of course.
Of course.
Because how can you put a medal?
What did he do in the American army?
Oh.
In the army,
Was
trained,
radio on the plane.
there was the war.
The Morse.
Was the war time.
Okay. he
And
came back.
they trying to give us, to form us. So we were in a platoon.
Le peloton the army.
Platoon, they used to march us brisk all day long
March and
to
all.
form us.
So after you left Israel,
When he left Israel, they said he came from Switzerland. He said
Yeah.
Switzerland. They sent him to Switzerland.
okay, and then he went back to Morocco.
From there, he went to Paris, and then they went to Morocco. When he went to Morocco, they were the American Air Force bases in Morocco already. So he worked as a civilian on the American base in Morocco. And then he met lots of people. And one, I think he was a Jewish Syrian who was in the army, who sponsored him
Sponsored him.
to come to America. And he went to California. He was with them for a while, and then he wanted to be in the Air Force. He volunteered, and he went to the Air Force. And then I have all the papers of the Air Force,
Right,
of
yeah.
course. And then he changed his name because, like I told you,
Asayag.
they used to call him Sparky when he was as a civilian. He does everything fast. And
Celle-là,
oui, attends,
c'est écrit.
Oui, il veut que je lui raconte quelque chose. So, as everybody, the whole group laughing. In the morning call, the afternoon call, the evening call, they call him. They said, enough with this name. We lose time every time we try to call you. They couldn't say the word. So they told him, my God, we can continue like this. You better change this name. Because he used to be called Sparky, he added man because he's Jewish, and we have the official papers with the nationality American, with in the court and all for the names and all. So he kept the Asayag as a middle name.
Okay.
On all his papers.
Okay. And how long was he in the American Air Force for?
Normally it should be 4 years, but they needed him on the base. He stayed 5 years.
5 years.
And then he worked on the base as a civilian. By then we met and we got married.
Where did you meet?
I lived 2 hours from Marrakesh. We never met. He's 12 years older than me. And he came when he was already in the base. He was an American citizen with uniform and all. He used to go for haircut, for the shoe shine, for his shoes. The tailor, all those are Jews from Marrakesh who worked on the base. And the first time he went there, they were talking about him in Arabic. And he understood, of course, and he answered them in Arabic. They become the best friends. But when the contract was over, I think after a year, he's the one who got them at the contract. The poor guy who did the shoe shine, he didn't speak French, he didn't speak nothing. He had no education, but at least he made a living thanks to him. The other one was the hairdresser, and Emile got him to renew the contract, and he had, I think, 6 people working for him in the salon, plus the tailor, because when they dry clean the uniform, they had to have the 3-ply in the back, 2 in the front, and all those were from the Mela, from the Marrakesh. So he told them, why do you think I'm American? I'm from Marrakesh, I'm from the Mela. And they become friends. And then we got married to meet an Arab who knew my father. He was le bouffon du roi. He used to be in the palace with the king and all. He was representing Coca-Cola in Morocco, in Marrakesh and Mogador. And the guy who had the salon and one of them wanted to get engaged too. Nessim and David, they wanted to get engaged. And he said, you know what? We'll go and buy some jewelry. So the best is Mr. Lab, my father. So how about Emile would take us in his car because he had a big American car. And Emile would drive us, and we go in the morning, come back at night. He was 2 hours away. So of course they went to my father's store. And my father, every time he saw something out of town, there were no kosher restaurant. He invited them home. In the meantime, they bought things at my father, and he invited them to go to the house. They advanced, they went to the house before my father. My father was closing the store, and I just came from school, and he saw me there. And he asked that guy, he said about the family, and it's the best family in Mogador.
That's where you're from, Mogador?
Yeah. His father is well known. My father was part of the Jewish committee. He did so much for the... I have a picture on my iPad, not the rabbi, the religious people who didn't make a living, nothing, studying Hebrew. Every Friday they came to my father and gave them money to all of them, 12 of them. He took care of the synagogue. He paid to paint the synagogue, electricity, everything. Okay. He did a lot. Okay. So when he saw, it was a good family, and he saw me too, he came back the weekend after, and he found out that he had a cousin, his real cousin, close cousin, who was married and lived in Mogador. And that lady and her husband knew my parents. So he called his cousin and he told her, can you invite Madame Loeb and her daughter for tea? So my mother went, but I had something at school. It was a weekend, we had a play at school. So I was coming back with my friend, and he was coming down from his cousin. He said, well, for you.
Thomas.
Attends, non, il veut savoir ça. Attends. he said to me,
Take your coke.
I am.
he said to me, we missed you, we waited for you, you didn't come. I said, well, I'm sorry, I couldn't make it. And I was with lots of friends and all. And he came back the weekend after, and then he came to see my father, and he invited me to the movies, of course with my mother. We went to my movie, my father was upstairs. Maybe 2, 3 weekends, my father said, no, you're not going to stay in a hotel, come and eat in the house, Shabbat. Okay, so he was with us, went to the, what I remember is, we came back from the movies, and he asked my mother, is your husband still asleep, or still well? She said, no, he's reading the paper. So he said, can I go talk to him? He went up without telling me nothing. He come down, jumping the stairs, say, okay, that's it, everything is fine. I said, what? He said, I asked for your hand at your father, to your father. Your father accepted. He said, now it's up to her. I said, you didn't even tell me. And he said, well, I had to ask your father first. Imagine he said no. So then my father asked about his family, and he knew about the grandfather, the uncle. So the grandfather sent his 2 sons to study in England. Comment on appelle la meilleure, the best school in England.
Oxford. Cambridge.
I think it was Oxford. And no Jew used to go there, especially from Morocco.
Faut donner que les dates qu'il y a
Il va rien
là-bas.
prendre, il va
Parce
rien-
que oui,
Oui, il va juste prendre les photos.
ils vont, oui.
Oui. So anyway, so we got engaged, we got married. The colonel of, he was in secret service in the Air Force. And he was in the police in the Air Force. He was in the accounting department in the Air Force. And he was the translator of the base.
Okay.
He did a lot.
A lot of things.
He
Okay.
drove the bus, the school
Okay.
bus. And
I wanted to ask you before I finish and I start
Yeah.
taking a lot
Yeah,
of
yeah.
pictures here.
Okay.
About Emile.
I don't hear.
Attends, il va te
Attends,
donner.
moment. What was his hardest experience
Ah, ok.
in 1948
Qu'est-ce qui était le plus dur pour toi quand tu étais en Israël? Le plus dur.
Comment?
in the war?
Qu'est-ce qui était le plus dur pendant la guerre en Israël pour toi? Qu'est-ce qui était le plus difficile? Le plus dur?
Parce qu'il y avait les Allemands qui étaient involved.
Non, une fois en Israël. En Israël, en 48.
Oui.
Qu'est-ce qui était le plus difficile?
Au contraire, il n'y a pas plus dur parce qu'on allait
He was happy.
Moadon à Chayalim, on allait à Moadon à Chayalim, on s'amusait,
He had a good time. He
on
loved.
ne payait pas, we didn't pay any attention.
No, they were young. They were.
Do you remember Altalena?
Hein?
Altalena,
What's that?
the boat in Tel Aviv that sank.
Est-ce que tu te rappelles le bateau qui a coulé à Tel Aviv?
Altalena.
Il s'appelait Altalena. Un bateau
Oui.
qui a coulé à Tel Aviv.
Eh ben, c'est avant celui-là,
Yeah.
c'est là où était mon cousin
Before this
Haim.
one, that was the one where his
Yeah.
cousin was.
Exodus.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to stop for a second. Hold on.